After up-and-coming boxer Hannah Rapp was struck and killed in Brazos County, questions are circling about Texas law and repeat offenders. Our Sydney Walker spoke with a local attorney on why, despite a lengthy criminal record, the man accused of manslaughter in her case was able to be out on bond at the time of her death. Sydney, what did you learn?
Yeah, Rapp's coach and family are pushing for what they call Hannah's Law, aimed at keeping repeat violent offenders from being released on bond. Attorney Brett Pritchard told me it still likely wouldn't apply to this case. Rising professional boxer Hannah Rapp died Saturday, July 18th, after investigators say she was intentionally struck by a vehicle while riding her bicycle along FM 159 in Brazos County.
Why is that person on bond anyway? Well, that's the law.
The man accused, Charles Medina, was out on bond for another case at the time of Rapp's death.
He went before a magistrate judge, was given a bond. He posted enough to get out, so they let him out.
With no prior felony convictions.
The way the law is written, misdemeanors don't create enhanceable offenses normally.
But accused of driving recklessly while firing a gun at a parked vehicle and charged with deadly conduct, criminal mischief, and reckless driving.
Typically, most of the time, our clients don't commit crimes while on bond, but in this case they did, and I could see why the family would be upset by that.
Now, Rapp's coach and family are working to create what they call Hannah's Law.
In this particular case, I don't think it would apply. The prior violent criminal acts, he's not been found guilty of.
The goal would be to prevent repeat violent offenders from being released on bond.
I think the idea would be something that the public would generally like. It wouldn't apply in his case.
He's back in jail, and Medina's bond on his past charge for deadly conduct and discharge of a firearm was revoked. The state can ask the court to increase the bond.
On cases where they believe the defendant poses a danger to the public, they can go make that argument to the district judge now and have the district judge increase the bond.
In addition to an increased bond, Pritchard did say prosecutors could also use his actions while out on bond to argue for higher sentencing as well.
Sydney, thanks for explaining that.